Hi students, let us continue with chapter 14, equation of line. So, in our previous class we had started with exercise 14c. So, today let us continue with exercise 14c. So, coming to the question number 11. Find the equation of straight line passing through the origin and point of intersection of the lines x plus 2y equal to 7 and x minus y equal to 4. These are the 2 points. So, intersection of these 2 lines we need to find out, and the origin. Origin will be 0, 0. So, let us find the equation of intersection of these 2 lines. How will you find it out? So, using simultaneous equation you can find the value of x and y. So, equating this minus plus minus. Okay. So, what you get? 3y is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. So, substituting in one of the given equation, x minus 1 is equal to 4, x is equal to 5. So, you get the value of x is 5 and y is 1. So, what are the points now? So, our points are 0, 0 and 5, 1. Okay. Now, what will be the slope? Slope is equal to 5 minus 0 by, it's not 5 minus 0, it's 1 minus 0, right? y2 minus y1 or y1 minus y2. 1 minus 0 by 5 minus 0 is equal to 1 by 5. So, what will be the equation? Therefore, equation of line is equal to equation of line will be y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. What's our y? Y minus 1 equal to m is 1 by 5 into x minus 5. So, cross multiplying you will get 5y minus 5 equal to x minus 5. 5 and 5 will get cancelled. 5y minus x equal to 0. This will be the equation of the line. Okay. Now, coming to the question number 12. What do you have? In a triangle ABC, the coordinates of the vertices ABC are, so let me consider triangle ABC. A is 4, 7. B is minus 2, 3. C is 0, 1. Find the equation of the median through vertex A. So, median through vertex A means it will be here, right? So, median through vertex A will be D. If I consider D will be what? D will be equal to midpoint of B and C, right? So, that is equal to minus 2 plus 0 by 2 and 3 plus 1 by 2. So, what do you get? Minus 1 and 2. Minus 1 and 2 will be your midpoint D. Okay. So, equation of line passing through that will be equation of AD. Okay, will be equal to, first we need to find the slope. Slope is equal to slope of AD first. Slope of AD is equal to, what's our point? 4. Okay. So, we have 7 minus 2 by 4 minus 1 plus 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 by 5 equal to 1. Slope of AD is 1. So, equation will be equal to 4 and 7 we have, right? Y minus 7 equal to 1 into x minus 4. Y minus 7 equal to x minus 4. Y minus x equal to 3. This will be the equation of line. Okay. Hope it's clear to you all. So, the equation of the median passing through the vertex A will be equal to y minus x is equal to 3. Okay. Hope it's clear, children. Now, coming to the next question. In the next question we have ABC are the coordinates. ABC have coordinates 0, 3, 4, 4, 8, 0 respectively. Find the equation of line through A perpendicular to BC. Okay. So, how will you find out? ABC are the coordinates. So, let me write down the coordinates. Question number 13. A is what? 0, 3. B is 4, 4. C is 8, 0 respectively. Find the equation of the line through A perpendicular to BC. So, if this is BC, this is A. Okay. So, if it's A and BC, find the equation of line through A perpendicular to BC. So, we need to find this AD itself. So in order to find that, what do? First we can find the slope of BD, right? Because we do, in the earlier question we have found it as median, so we know that D is the midpoint of BC, but here it doesn't bisect, it's just perpendicular. So first what you need to do is you need to find the slope of BC. Okay, so AD is perpendicular to BC, so if you know the slope of BC, the slope of the line perpendicular to it will be minus 1 by slope of BC, right? So first you let us find the slope of BC. Slope of BC is equal to, we have 0 minus 4 by 8 minus 4. So that is equal to minus 4 by 4 equal to minus 1. So what will be slope of AD? Slope of AD is equal to minus 1 by slope of BC. That is equal to minus 1 by minus 1 equal to 1. Okay. So now you can easily find out the equation of the line through A perpendicular to BC, right? So what is the point A we have? So slope, not slope, equation of line. Equation of the line to be found will be what? Equation of the line will be equal to y minus 3 equal to slope m is m into x minus 0. So what do you get? Y minus 3 equal to x. So y minus x is equal to 3. Hope it's clear, children. So 14th question is similar to what we have done. Coming to the 15th question, question number 15. Find the equation of the line whose x-intercept is given. First question, x-intercept equal to 5, y-intercept is equal to 3. How will you find the equation? Equation will be, so here if x-intercept is equal to 3, what will be the corresponding x-axis? So corresponding x-axis equal to, x-intercept is 5, so 5 0 will be the corresponding x-axis, and y-intercept is given to us, right? What is the y-intercept given? Y-intercept is given to us as 3, right? Y-intercept is given to us as 3. So how can we find it out? So corresponding equation, I mean the coordinate will be corresponding y-axis, correct? Corresponding point on y-axis. Corresponding point on y-axis will be equal to 0 3, correct? Corresponding point on y-axis will be 0 3. So I can take this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2, right? So what will be the slope? From this I can find the slope. Slope will be equal to 3 minus 0 by 0 minus 5, that is equal to 3 by 5 minus 5. Okay, so that will be the slope. So what will be equation of the line? Equation of line is equal to, taking any of the point, you get y minus 0 equal to, if I take the first point, 3 by minus 5 into x minus 5. So what do you get? If I multiply here, minus 5 by minus 0 equal to 3x minus 15. So if I take this side, I will get 15 is equal to 3x plus 5y. Hope it's clear, children. Coming to the second sub question, let's do one more question from that main. Third one you can do it yourself. So second sub question, it's given to us, x-intercept is equal to minus 4 and y-intercept is equal to 6. So I can take corresponding x-axis, corresponding point on x-axis. Corresponding point on x-axis will be equal to what? Minus 4 0. Similarly, corresponding point on y-axis is equal to 0 6. Okay. So first let us find the slope. Slope will be equal to 6 minus 0 by 0 minus of minus 4. That is equal to 6 by 4 equal to 3 by 2. Okay. So therefore equation of the line, we need to find the equation of line, right? Equation of line is equal, take any of the points. So let me take 0 6 here and do it. So what do I get? Y minus 6 equal to 3 by 2 into x minus 0. So if I multiply, I get 2y minus 12 equal to 3x. 2y minus 3x is equal to 12. Okay, hope it's clear, children. Now similarly, let's do the 16th question. Find the equation of line whose slope is given as minus 5 by 6 and x-intercept is 6. So slope and x-intercept is given in this case. So let us see how to do it. So slope is equal to, let's write down 16th question. Slope is equal to minus 5 by 6 and x-intercept is equal to 6. So if an x-intercept is 6, what can I write the corresponding point on x-axis? So the corresponding point on x-axis is point on x-axis equal to 6, 0, right? And slope is given to us. So what will be the equation of line here? So equation of line is equal to n is equal to y minus 0 equal to slope is m, same formula, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So 5 by 6 into x minus 6. Okay, so what do you get? 6y equal to minus 5x plus 30. 6y plus 5x is equal to 30. Hope it's clear, kids. Okay, so looking through such questions, these questions, you can do the rest of the problems also. Okay, so now let me do the question number 21. Okay, so in the question 21 we have, write down the equation of the line whose gradient is minus 2 by 5. Okay, slope is minus 2 by 5, which passes through the point P, where P divides a line segment A 4 minus 8 and B 12 0 in the ratio 3:1. Okay, so you need to find the points. So P x y you need to find out. Okay, point B. So how will you find it out? That will be equal to, ratio is 3:1, so I can take it this as m is to n, right? This will be x1 y1 x2 y2. So joining of the line segment formula, we already know it. What is that formula we have? So we have the formula P, the point P x y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1. So if I take it as m1 and m2, okay, m1 x1, m2 x1, m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So let us solve it and check the value. So m1 is 3 into x2 is 12 plus 1 into 4 by 3 plus 1 comma m1 again 3 into y2 is 0 plus m2 is 1 into minus 8 by 3 plus 1. So what do you get? 3 12s are 36 plus 4 by 4 and 0 minus 8 by 4. Okay, so what do you get? 40 by 4, 40 by 4 and minus 8 by 4, you will get the answer as 10 and minus 2. Okay, so you get the points as 10 and minus 2. How to solve it? Using this you can solve it. So your equation of line will be, equation of line equal to, what do you get? Y minus of plus 2. So y plus 2 into minus 2 by 5 x minus 10. So you get, if I multiply 5 by here, I will get 5y plus 10 equal to minus 2x plus 20. So 5y plus 2x equal to 10. Hope it's clear, kids. Next, coming to question number 23, we have A 7 minus 1, B 4 1, C minus 3 4 are the vertices of triangle ABC. Find the equation of line through vertex. So if I have a normal triangle A B C, you need to find the equation of the line through vertex P and the point P in AC. through AC. Okay, point P in AC. So this will be the point. So this will be AP is to CP we already have, that is 2 is to 3. Okay, so using this we need to find out. So how will you do it? A is 7 minus 1 and C is minus 3 4 and B is equal to 4 1. So first we need to find this point, right? How will you find point P? Point P is equal to, we have the formula, right? What is that? M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2, M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. Okay, so here we have M1 x1. So if I consider 2 is to 3, M1 is to M2 is equal to 2 is to 3. So AP only, so I have x1 y1 x2 y2. So we already have all the values here. So M1 is what? 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 7 by 2 plus 3, and here we have 2 into, by 2 we have 4 plus 3 into minus 1 by 2 plus 3. Okay, so what do we have? It's equal to, so here we have minus 6 plus 21 by 5 and 8 minus 3 by 5. So what are the values here? Minus 6, so 15 by 5 and 5 by 5. So your answers are 3 and 1. So what will be the equation of line? So equation of line through B. Through B we need to find out. In order to find that, the P and slope we need to find using B and P. Slope of BP. Slope of BP is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 4 equal to 0 by minus 1 equal to 0. So slope is 0. So equation of line through B will be equal to, equation of line will be equal to y minus 1 equal to m into x minus, m is 0, x minus 3, that is equal to y minus 1 is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. This will be the equation of the given line. Okay, hope it's clear to you kids. So do the rest of the problems, missed out questions in this exercise, and we can clarify if there is any doubt, we can clarify during our live class. Okay, thank you students.